Hi people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you something. So modern TVs, I'm not sure if you're aware of it, they started using optical fiber directly to make communication between any multimedia device you want to use. For example, the cable you're seeing in my hand, it's optical fiber. Actually, I can literally connect it with a speaker. So I had this laying around for a while, so I wanted to check it out or try it out. If I connect this end on the behind the TV, this part should light up. So we'll see. And it's fascinating how optical fiber works. Let's see if I can. Okay, there you go. And like I said, there you go. So this is how it works. It communicates with the light. How fascinating is that? And this optical fiber can communicate with whatever device is connected to so flawlessly without losing any signal at all.